We're going to make this adorable paper strip pumpkin to teach the steps of a pumpkin's life cycle. Start with these printable strips. The strips have pictures of the life cycle steps and a spot for kids to label each step. They come in black and white, which I printed on orange cardstock, or color like these. Cut the strips along the lines and you'll end up with a set like this. Stack up the set, punch a hole in each end of every strip. Now with the text and the pokey part of a paper brad facing towards you, layer all the strips on the brad. Note that each step has 2 strips, make sure they're together. When all the strips are on the brad, it's going to look like this. Take a brown pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and then bend it into an L shape. Put the pipe cleaner through the hole on the other end of each strip, keeping the strips in order. When all the strips are on, make a loop on the inside end of the pipe cleaner and fold it on the inside of the pumpkin. This keeps all the strips from coming off. Fold the outer part of the pipe cleaner in half and then twist it to make your pumpkin stem. Now take a green pipe cleaner, mark the halfway point and wrap that point around the stem of your pumpkin. Using your finger or a pen, wrap each half of the green pipe cleaner in curls to form tendrils, spread the pieces out, flatten it a bit so the pumpkin sits flat, and you've just made a pumpkin life cycle craftivity.